Hi guys, and welcome back to another GraysHQ video. Now you now join us, we're in Leeds. We've bought a trailer, but this is the newest trailer Grays Rentals and Sales have ever owned. It is a 2017, I think. We'll have a look. 2017. I knew this is 2016, so we're going up. The only thing is it's green. Yeah, BPWs, which is good. All tyres are good, I think. Yeah. I'll have a better look around it in a minute. But I hope all of you had a great Christmas and a great New Year. It's now January. Yeah, well, it's not January at the moment, but when you see this, it'll be January. It's now, what day is it today? Saturday. So obviously next week will be January. So yeah, big year. Everyone says that though, don't they? New year, new me, all of that. No, it'll. I'm hoping to have a good year, business-wise, racing-wise, everything. We're going to try our best. So, and I hope all you guys, and YouTube-wise as well. I want to grow the YouTube massive. So, but to do that, I need all you guys' help and support, which, like you are doing, I can't thank you guys enough. But anyway, less of that. Let's have a look around the trailer. So basically, I've brought two trailers. I've brought this one, which is very tiny trailer. Look at it, it's mint. I might keep it for myself. I don't know if to sell it or to keep it. I don't know. But then I've also brought, it's mint, isn't it? Yes, one. Absolutely immaculate. I've then brought another trailer, which I'll show you. Got to walk down here. I've brought two of them. He's left them out because his yard's full. So I've then brought this green one down here, which is the 2005, which is obviously it's an older trailer, a lot older, but it still looks a good solid trailer on BPWs as well. Internal straps. She's still tidy, very tidy. Both got MOT, both got very good tyres on them. I think this is 2005. Yeah, 2005. Yeah, it's a good trailer. The only thing is it's here with no lock on or anything. That's what I don't like, if you know what I mean. But yeah, it is what it is. I'll come and get this one tomorrow or tonight, I reckon. But God, it looks good. Sat there, looks so mean. Right, let's get hooked up. I'm letting Nathan hook everything up. I feel bad. We're on the way. That's the other trailer. I've got to go and pick that up, hopefully tomorrow or Monday. So, time to head back should take about 2 hours. About something like that. Slam, another hire company. Right, let's go. Well, we just got back to the yard. I've dropped the trailer, so I'm going to take some photos of that in the morning. But gosh, she is a tiny trailer. I'm going to get back into the yard where I park up and go home. And we'll probably hopefully go and get that other trailer tomorrow, possibly. So you now join us. We're on the way to collect the second trailer. We collected the other one obviously yesterday. So we're going to go and collect this one now. I just don't like the fact that it's in a lay-by, no pin lock on it, no airline lock, nothing. Don't get me wrong, I haven't paid him. I was going to pay him for both of them in one go, but like I said, I only wanted to pay for each one as I collect them, just because they are sat in a lay-by. So we're going to go and get it so it's out the way. Oh, well, we're here, but a car is parked in front of it. It'd be a shame if we take the front of the car off, wouldn't it? Right, okay. Well, we can do that. We can improvise. Not take the front of the car off, but hook up anyway. Just have to get a bit of an angle. There was a lorry parked there yesterday, so this is not a lorry there now. Well, first time we made it under no shunts, nothing. Right, let's get hooked up. Hopefully the handbrake's on the truck. bought it with an ABS front on it, but it was going down the road. We got like about what, 20, about half hour, 20 minutes from mine, and the ABS light went off. Turned it on and off, and it was fine. It was mint. So I ain't got to do anything to that. All the lights work as well, which is good. Line the whole legs up. Where's part brake on this? You know what? It's 2005, right? But I generally think I'm going to keep it, put it out on hire, because if you're 4.2, I think it's, let me check. Yeah, I think so. It should be on the headboard. No, but I'm zooming it's looking at the height there. Tyres are all good. That tyre's like brand new. So's that one. And they're good, not too bad brand ones. Yeah, not XL curtains, but it's got posts. But she's a strong trailer. It's been repainted. An SDC. Like I say, if it sells, it sells. If it don't, it can go out on hire. So it's got two choices really. But just got that lip up there that's slightly rotten, see? But yeah, she ain't bad. She ain't bad at all. I'm not complaining. It's a new brake chamber. Brand new tyre that. Yeah, I'm happy. And he's got MOT until July. Can he go wrong? Well, we've just had our 45-minute break. Now, what are you laughing at? We just had a 45-minute break, and now we're going to head back. But I think we're going to stop via Starbucks or something, because I need a drink to wake me up. I feel knackered now. Well, we've now finally got back to the yard. It's 5 o'clock. Oh, that was a long day for a Sunday, but at least it's done now. All the Baileys are there, lined up, ready to go. Back to work. Them lights are so bright, it's a joke. I reckon it's time to lock up and go home, because I've had enough today. I haven't even eaten anything today really either, apart from McDonald's this morning. So I'm gonna have some food when we get back as well. New Year's Eve antics. We've got Ben over there from OPV. He's currently got a little production line cleaning my trailers, and then I've just cleaned this one. Well, he's cleaned this one. I'm just taking some photos of it now, so I'm going to go put this back in the yard and then bring him the next one. So that's now all the trailers washed, pickups washed, because it's just come up to get some photos of these cars. Getting there slowly. Front bumper's now all on. Just got to put some bits and bobs on it, like the stays and whatnot. That's what I'm literally just doing now. I've got this bit of box section here, which is obviously going to go there like that. And then we'll weld that on. The front bumper is a little bit leaning that way, but I'm sure we'll hit some things and it'll bend back, I suppose. That's all on. Nathan's just doing the corner caps now. Bumper's all bent round nicely. So I'm going to move the welder over there and get cutting. We're on a mission. That stays now in. It's always the good welding is always on the inside. Never mind. So that's all done. How are we looking on them corner caps, Nathan? Oh, I just caught me panel. So I think my next job is going to be making the overrider hoop for the back, I think. That's ready to go on actually. So Nathan's been prefabbing these for us. So they go on there like that. And then that'll go on there like that. Weld them up. Looks good. I wasn't going to show you until I put this override hoop on, but just done a bit of welding. At least that one's on show. Well happy. I tried to do it in one go, but so good. So now I'm going to make the bar that goes from there on the top down to about here where the bend is. Well, we're getting there slowly. Got that little cross member in, just got to put another one there, then bend that round, weld that up, and that's the back bumper pretty much done-ish. I say ish. Still got to put the bit from there to there, but I can't, so I'm waiting for steel. In all fairness, I can put this one in from here to there. Just going to weld these on. Nathan's just doing the front hoop now. So, right, where's the tape measure? Tape measure. So, we need, I'm going to go 3 3¾ That's the override hoop at the back, all done. Nice little slant to the back, all on the diamond, which is nice. So that was with the blowtorch when I just heated that bit, but that's hot. But like I say, now I'm just going to do this stain out. I need to sort the diff out as well, look, it's leaking. I'm going to put this one on here now, do the front one, and just finish the front bumper off. Current update, that's now all cut for here, but I'm going to put another one of them nice little plates here, which I'm just marking out now. Override hoop we've just cut so it fits the bumper. This was all bent by Finn, thank you very much. Then override hoop, the front bit is all done, which is nice. That bit's all welded on, all the corner caps are all welded on. I've done another beauty of a weld. Nice, so that's all on. Just need to do the override hoop. Like I said, I'm not going to weld that on now because I'm waiting for some more steel to do the front brace. And I'm not going to do any more welding tonight. I'm just going to get that cut and then home time, I'm hungry. So that's where we're going to leave the car tonight. I've had enough now. We've done a good stint on it. She's 95% there. I need to do a new roof bar on it, but that's for another day. Is there a socket on there? Yeah, there is. I wonder what that was. There's a socket. But I'm letting my car defrost because it's frosty. It's 10 o'clock. Make sure you go and check out our merch, which I'll show it in a photo now. Basically drop me an email, and I still haven't replied to people with the emails. Basically what because I'm just too busy, what I'm going to do, I'm going to get Lydia to have my YouTube email, and she will reply to all of you guys and get your orders sorted and take payment and everything. So like I say, if you like it, make sure you drop me an email, tell me the size you want, or we can order a size for you. We're going to look at getting some hoodies. We've only got t-shirts at the moment, but we're going to get some hoodies sorted and some other bits as well. That's another thing I'm going to get to do, is sort me out a like an online shop. That's something I want, like a Shopify or something like that. I'm not very clued up on that sort of stuff, but we're going to get that all sorted, and it'll be good. It'll be good because we'll get loads of different bits, not just tops. We'll get loads of different merch, so that'll be good for you guys. But like I say, if you like this video, make sure you smash the like button, and if you haven't done already, make sure you go and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.